Let's start with your introduction first. Who would like to introduce yourself? Go on.
Hi, this is Bina Yadav, and I'm a corporate professional for more than 20 years of experience in the IT industry, working client-facing roles and process improvements. And now I'm a coach. I'm a transformative coach. I work with corporates, I work with institutions, and also individuals.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much for your introduction. So, how has been your experience with Rhythma, and when you joined NLP, what all has changed so far?
My journey when I joined NLP with Rhythma was I had learned NLP Classic Code earlier, so I did have a little bit of background about NLP. But when I joined New Code NLP with Rhythma, it was a complete different experience altogether. Understanding what is New Code, what are the nuances of New Code, what are the benefits of New Code, and the depth of the intention of the creators of New Code. That is what I learned when I joined NLP with Rhythma.
Okay, perfect. And how are you taking your journey forward with NLP from here on?
Being a corporate professional for more than 20 years in the IT industry, and also a certified coach in Classic Code and New Code NLP, along with being a clinical hypnotherapist and many other certifications which I've done, what I intend to take forward NLP is use the NLP tools and techniques of Classic Code as well as New Code with my executive coaching skills, working with these leaders in the industry, being instrumental for them to reach their peak performance and be successful as leaders in their industry.
Thank you. So, what are those 3 to 5 things, maybe a couple of them, what has changed your life after doing NLP?
After doing NLP, the 3 things which I would love to share with you that have changed in me is the way that I communicate, the way that I interact with people, and the way that I get responses from people. That has changed immensely. The way people approach me, the way people look at me, and the way I interact with people has changed drastically. So that's a huge benefit which I have received personally and practicing and learning NLP.
So, one last question to you. How do you recommend Rhythma as one of the NLP coaches? And what newer version you have seen in yourself after doing NLP?
With Rhythma as a coach, I would say she is a complete mentor, a complete knowledgeable person when it comes to the subject matter what she is in. She's an expert in New Code NLP, she's an expert in Classic Code NLP, because I've done my Classic Code with some other institution and I've done my NLP with Rhythma. So I see a huge difference with other institutions and when I joined Rhythma, that's a huge difference which I've seen. And as a mentor, she is amazing. She's complete. She can see which are the areas that you need to work upon. She can see your strengths. And as a mentor, this capability, when a mentor has this capability, and if you have such a mentor who can see those things in you, that changes you as a person because you raise yourself to that level, you grow in life, and you are transformed as a person. You see a newer version of yourself with such a mentor, with a mentor like Rhythma. And I would recommend Rhythma Dua to anyone who is looking forward to learn Classic Code or New Code NLP.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Perfect.